The next two sections on the Slide Master tab's ribbon are called Edit, Theme, and Background, and this is where you shape the visual style of a specific Slide Master or layout. Earlier, we mentioned that one of the first things you should do when creating a new lesson is set up your master slides. That's almost true. The very first step should actually happen on the Design tab. The Design tab controls the course-wide theme, colors, fonts, backgrounds, and overall visual direction. Any choices you make there flow directly into the default Slide Master and its layouts. This is all about working smarter, not harder. If you adjust the theme before opening Slide Master View, you only make those decisions once, not repeatedly on every master and layout. Inside the Edit, Theme, and Background sections of the Slide Master tab, you'll see mini versions of the same tools you'd find on the Design tab. You can adjust colors, swap background styles, or update text formatting. The difference is scope. Design tab changes the look of the entire project. Edit, Theme, and Background only affects the specific Slide Master or layout you're working on. Once your course-wide theme is set in the Design tab, you can switch into the Slide Master and fine-tune individual layouts using Edit, Theme, and Background. Think of it as layering your design decisions. The Design tab establishes the foundation, and Edit, Theme, and Background let you refine the details for specific masters or layouts without affecting the entire project.